Hi everyone, my name is Zaru and today I'm cooking angel hair pasta with broccoli. This is basically pasta olio, but I'm cooking it with baby king mushroom. This is a really simple dish to cook, and I'm sure this will definitely bring up a brightness to your dinner time. And I'm serving this dish with fresh vegetables. So for this dish, I'm taking 250 grams of angel hair pasta, 1 medium-sized broccoli, 6 cloves of garlic, and a good handful of parsley, 1 green chili, and 200 grams of baby king mushroom. For cooking, I'm taking extra virgin olive oil and a teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs. This herb has garlic and chili, and my next video will be showing you how to mix these herbs at home because they are a little bit specialized and it's hard to find in the markets. So if you are interested, please keep an eye on that video. And salt. This is lake salt. This is the salt I of my cooking. You can use any salt if you like. And to serve with, I'm taking 1 handful of pine nuts and a piece of dairy-free cheese. And to serve it, I'm taking some vegetables that's available in my kitchen. Baby carrots, Lebanese cucumber, and this is beautiful, my favorite, kohlrabi and apple. To start with, let's chop the vegetables first. Now let's start cooking. So to start with, I'm heating up the pan and putting about 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'll wait for it to heat up and add the mixed Italian herbs. Let it fry a little bit. And now I can put the garlic in. Let the garlic fry a little bit until it goes a bit brownish. Let's put the green chili in and fry it for a little while. Now it's time for the parsley to go in. So I'm now ready to put the chopped up broccoli stems. Let it fry until you know that it is a little bit softer. Now I can add the mushroom and let it fry until it goes a bit of brownish or a bit of golden color. I like to add the king mushroom because it does not release the water as much as the button mushroom does. So if you can find baby king mushroom for this dish, will be the best. On the other pan, I am cooking the angel hair pasta. This pasta cooks very, very quick. It's only about 5 to 6 minutes after the water is boiled up. Now in this pan, the mushroom is looking really good. You can see it is now frying without the water and it's basically just sizzling in the oil. Now it's perfect time for broccolis to go in. And since the broccolis are really tiny, they seem to cook really quick, so we don't want them to overcook. This is a very quick dish to cook and also very healthy as well. The amount of broccoli goes in here and the amount of mushroom goes in here. And then also, I'm not shy to use extra virgin olive oil in any of my dishes because extra virgin olive oil is the king of the oil, as far as I know. Looks like it is ready to put the salt in. Just cutting the broccoli in tiny pieces takes a bit of time, but otherwise this dish can be cooked within 30 minutes. So it's a really quick dish to cook, considering how healthy this dish is. And this side, the pasta is ready to drain. Now the pasta is ready in this pot and I'm just putting some extra virgin olive oil and toss it around so it doesn't get stuck together. Now let's add the pasta into the broccoli. I'm adding a little bit at a time so it is easy for me to toss around and get all the vegetable in. Because it's a spaghetti still, so it is best to mix the pasta a little bit at a time. This dish is now ready to serve. And let's get into the fresh vegetables for serving. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I am serving my olio with fresh vegetables on the side. This is just a great way to encourage the family to include raw food in their meals, helping us maintain the healthy habits I always strive to keep, as it is one of the best ways to combat certain health conditions and ensure your body gets the maximum nutrition it needs, which is the most important thing than anything in the world. Establishing a routine of eating raw fruits and vegetables daily is something you might consider as well. That's it for guys today. I really hope you enjoyed my show and I thoroughly enjoyed cooking with you. If you'd like to watch more videos like this with healthy recipes and with my creative work, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, please take care and bye-bye.